Okay, I'm going to do a little comparison between using recipes and not using recipes as far as workflow. I'm going to select this group, apply this preset, and change the fade time to 3 seconds. Now I'm going to store this in my Q1, and there it is. Now I'm going to do the same thing but using a recipe, so I'm going to turn on edit recipe, select all pixels, this preset. Now I'm going to change the fade time in the recipe editor by scrolling over here to fade from X and changing it to 3 seconds. Now I'll store that in Q2, and both of these cues are going to have exactly identical output. We're going to put the lights at this value in 3 seconds. The second cue, as you can see, has a recipe icon showing that there is a recipe stored in this cue. And if you click on it, you can see the recipe lines down here, and we can see and edit all of this information directly in the cue. We don't even have to be on the cue to do that, which is really nice. Now, let's say after programming this, I suddenly decide, oh my goodness, that is not a long enough fade time. I actually need to change the fade time to 6 seconds for both of these cues. To do this in the first cue, I have to either go to the cue and then activate the dimmer and change the fade time, or if I'm not going to be on the cue, I have to select the fixtures, put them at the preset, and change the fade time to 6 seconds. Of course, I could also edit the cue, but there are multiple ways of doing this. Any of them is pretty time consuming. I'm going to store this back in the queue. Every single one of these methods is going to involve storing or updating the queue. Now for Q2, it's very simple. I just scroll over here and change this to 6 seconds. No updating required. It's already changed in the queue. When I go to the queue, it will fade in 6 seconds, as we can see here. So easy.